Have you ever felt like you are no one's favorite? Not your friend's favorite, not your partner's favorite, not your family favorite. And sometimes you feel like people don't even get excited to see you. And sometimes it hurts because you see other girls. People call them, people miss them, people include them. And then you feel like you're just there. Nobody cares about you. Sometimes the reason for this is very simple. You are not anyone's favorite because you are not your own favorite. And I'm not saying this to hurt you or something, but if you constantly feel inferior about yourself, inferior in beauty, inferior in money, inferior in personality, confidence, etc., then you keep removing yourself from people's lives. Okay, tell me something honestly, okay, if you do this or not. For example, when your relatives are talking together, you just sit quietly in the corner. When your friends are joking around, you laugh a little, but you don't actually join the conversation. When someone new enters the room or enters your house, you probably assume yourself that they won't like me. You assume that they might judge me. So what you do, you stay quiet, you stay silent. And eventually what happens? People start thinking that you don't want to get involved. But that's not true, right? You do want to get involved. You do want people to like you. But because of your self-doubt, you keep pushing yourself away from people. And you know what the sad part is? It's not that people rejected you first. You rejected yourself first. You decided that you are not confident enough, you are not beautiful enough, your personality is not interesting enough. And then what happens? You stop showing up for people, you stop talking to people, you stop getting involved in the conversations, you push yourself away from the people, from the conversations, from the get-togethers, from the gatherings, always. So think about the situation. You go to a family gathering and you see your cousins dancing, talking, sharing food together, and you just sit there scrolling, pretending to scroll your phone. And not because you are enjoying your phone, because you are avoiding interactions. And in your mind, you already think that if I speak or if I talk to them, they will judge me, they will not like me. And because of that, instead of participating, you choose to hide. And when you keep doing that constantly, of course, they are going to prefer someone who are present with them. And honestly, I think people don't just choose their favorites randomly. They become closer naturally. They become closer to the people who show up, who express themselves, who laugh with them, who share moments with them. And when you keep pushing away yourself emotionally, you keep pushing away yourself from them emotionally, then how are they going to build a connection with you? And what are you so insecure about? You're such a beautiful soul inside. You have so many great stories to tell. You have so many great thoughts to share. You are a good person. You are a beautiful person who you are there to help people. Then why are you so insecure? कहिलेकाहीँ हामी आफूलाई यति कम ठान्छौँ कि हामीलाई अरूसँग खुल्नै डर लाग्छ. And the root of this problem is not your looks, it's not your money, it's not your personality. It's just that you don't see value in yourself. If you don't enjoy being yourself, then why will others enjoy being with you? If you don't even like yourself, then how do you expect others to like you? And those people who become everyone's favorite has just one thing in common, that they are comfortable with themselves. They don't walk into a room thinking, I hope people will like me, I hope people will accept me. They enter the room thinking, I'm just happy to be here. And when that shift happens, everything changes. You start talking more, you start laughing more, you start feeling your own presence, and people start noticing it. And not because you forced something or you forced anything, just because you allowed yourself to be, just because you allowed yourself to exist fully. And if you are not anyone's favorite right now, don't panic because you don't have to change yourself completely. You just have to start small. Suppose next time you meet someone, just ask one more question. It can be anything like, what are you doing these days? How are you? Did you have your lunch? And while greeting them off, just add one more line like, take care, it was nice meeting you. Slowly show people that you are open to communicate. Show them that you are interested in their interaction. You are interested to share moments with them. And one important reminder that you do not have to be everyone's favorite because that's obviously impossible. But once you become your own favorite, the right people who enjoy your presence will come to you naturally.